Hello everybody, Elias5891 here with another KTANE module tutorial. This time we're hitting the Gamepad. Gamepad, as you can see here, is a set of inputs, ups, downs, lefts, rights, B's, A's, backspaces, and submits or enters. This module does require edge work, so let's hit that first before we dive in. I will mention that I do have the widget expander mod on, so there will be more widgets than normal in this. I wanted a chance to hit some more of the extra conditions, so let's take a look. We have seven batteries in 4 holders. We have an unlit CLR, a lit MSA, and ports we have 2 RJ45s, 2 RCAs, a PS2, and a DVI. Serial number is Sierra Charlie 0, Delta Mike 5, SC0DM5. Alright, let's dive into Gamepad here. As I said, you've got your controller basically, and your number. I personally find this a little hard to see actually. LEDs always give me a little bit of trouble sometimes. So this top one here appears to be 7129. It's a little easier for me to see at this angle. 7129 here. 7129. As the diffuser, that's all you need to give the expert. 7129, 7129. And the diffuser is going to follow these instructions to find out 2 sets of subcommands, so your first 4 buttons, your last 4 buttons. And then kind of look over some global overrides which may change things. So let's start with the first subcommand. Now you'll see it mentions X, A, B, C in various letters through here. My time, or my number rather, is in the form of X, Y, so X is 71, Y is 29 in this case. And each individual digit is a letter, so it's A, B, C, D. So A is 7, B is 1, C is 2, D is 9, X is 71, the whole thing, Y is 29. You'll also see in, like right here, a number in just means a multiple of that number. So let's look at this one, 7129. First subcommand, X is prime. X is my first 2 numbers, 71. Is 71 prime? Yes, it is, actually. So that's going to be my first subcommand. I'll just leave it highlighted for right now. Second subcommand, Y is prime. 29, well, Y is prime as well. So that's my second subcommand. Easy peasy, don't have to go down the list of all. And then let's check the global overrides. If X equals 11 in, so if X is a multiple of 11, so 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, nope. So we're going to skip that rule. If A equals 1 plus D, so if my first digit is my last digit plus 1, is 7A equal to 1 plus D, 1 plus 9? That's 10, 7 does not equal 10, so that one's false. If X or Y is a highly composite number, now highly composite number, not a term I expect a lot of people to be familiar with. I had to double check it myself, and I was a math major. A highly composite number, and the index does describe it, is a number with more divisors than any smaller positive integer. 1 has 1, 2 has 2, 3 also has 2, so 3 is not 1. 4 has 3, it has more divisors than anything smaller than it. 5 has 2, that's not more than the 3 from 4. 6 has 4, which is more than any before it. So on, so on, so on. So, of these, or at least, so of the numbers that can appear on this module, 0, 1 to 99, I believe it is, highly composite numbers are 1, 2, 4, 6, and then your multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, up until 60. So, these are your highly composite numbers. 1, 2, 4, 6, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. 4 to memorize, and then the first 5 multiples of 12. Are either of my numbers a highly composite number? Do they fit this list? No, they don't. So, that rule does not apply. If x and y are both perfect squares, a perfect square is a number equal to something times itself. So 1, 4, 9, which is 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3. 29 is not a perfect square, neither is 71. No prime will be a perfect square. So none of the global overrides apply. So these are my commands as they are. This one is kind of the best code in my opinion. It is up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right. If you've ever played Contra or any Konami game, that pattern should be familiar. That is the ever famous Konami code. So that's, in this case, we're going to give our diffuser back the Konami code. So as the expert, I'm going to say, okay, your answer is the Konami code. 2 up, 2 down, left, right, left, right. Submit. Smiley face. It approves. Let's do another one. 69, 62. 69, 62. First subcommand is x prime 69. Nope, 3 times 23? Yeah, 3 times 23, so that's not prime. Is it a multiple of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Nope, jumped over it. A plus b equals 10, and, well, a plus b, it's these two numbers added together, that's 15, so that's false. Now we get to some interesting rules. X equals 6n plus 3. So x is some multiple of 6 plus 3 more. We're at 69, so multiples of 6 close to that. 60 plus 3 would be 63. Nope. 11 sixes is 66, plus 3 is 69. So if n is 11, this is actually the case right here. So this is the subcommand we want. X equals 6n plus 3. X is equal to 6 times 11, 66, plus 3 to give me 69. So our first subcommand, we'll actually jot down this time, is down, left, A, right. I like to just put the letters because I do this on paper, not the computer. I can't highlight. Let's look at our second subcommand. Y is prime. 62, nope, 2 times 31. Y equals 8n. Y is a multiple of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. No. C minus D is 4. Actually, that's true. 6 minus 2 is 4. And bomb has a stereo RCA. It did, so this one is actually true this time. That's a case I don't see very often. Write A, down, down are my commands for this one. So that gets us to this point. We've got our 2 subcommands. Now we look through our overrides. If x is a multiple of 11, nope. If a equals 1 plus d, if 6 equals 1 plus 2, nope. Either is a highly composite number, 1, 2, 4, 6, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, nope. If they are both perfect squares, nope. So this is our answer. We'll read it to our diffuser a little slowly. Down left, A right, right A, down down. Submit. Smiley face. Let's do one more. 7783. I like this one. So 7783. Prime? No. X is not prime. 11 times 7. X equals 12n. Nope. 12 times nothing is going to give me an odd number. A plus b is 10. No, so I can stop right there. X equals 6n plus 3. 6 12s is 72, plus 3 is 75. 6 13s is 78, that's too high, so no. X equals 10n plus 5. That would be a number ending in 5. Nope. X equals 7n, so x is a multiple of 7, and y is not a multiple of 7. 77 is definitely a multiple of 7, 7 times 11. 83 is not a multiple of 7, so this is my first command. Left, left, up, B. Now we look at 83. 83, is that prime? If you're not sure about your primes, they're actually here on this page. 83 actually is a prime number. Left, right. And then we look at our global overrides. If x is 11n, if x is a multiple of 11, uh-oh, it is. What do we got to do? We're going to switch the first key press with the second key press. So we're going to switch an L with an L. And we're going to switch the fifth with the seventh. So we're going to so we're going to switch another L with an L. That actually doesn't change my sequence at all. If A equals 1 plus D, 7 equals 1 plus 3, nope. If X or Y is highly composite, nope. If they're perfect squares, nope. So there's our answer. This is the one we're doing. Left, left, up B, left, right, left, right. Smiley face. All right, so let's go back to the office. Let's blank out my cheat sheet here. I will leave this on screen for you, though. And let me give you one, let you work through it, and then we'll look at it together. We'll just do one, make it easy on you. We'll start with edge work. Edge work for this one is going to be 6 batteries in 4 holders. No indicators. Serial PS2 RCA ports. Serial number. Uniform Lima 2. Echo Bravo 3. UL2 EB3. I've got a lot of them here. Let's do this one. Your number combination is 9448. 9448. And I'll give you a second one just for the fun of it. If you want to do this one, you can do it as well. 7943. 7943. Alright, we'll pause this here. Go ahead and pause your video. Figure it out and turn it back on, and we'll see if you got it. Alright, let's see what you got. Got my edge work. Got my numbers written down. Got my subcommands highlighted. X, 94 is not prime. It's not a multiple of 12. 9 plus 4 is not 10. It's not 3 more than the multiple of 6. Closest you can get is n equals 15, so 6 15s is 90, plus 3 is 93. This would be a number ending in 5, so nope. 94 is not a multiple of 7. Closest one is 91. X equals C times D. 4 times 8 does not give me 94. X is a perfect square. Nope. Nothing times itself is 94. X equals 3n minus 1. Well, 93 minus 1 is 92. 96 minus 1 is 95, so I kind of go on either end of it, so nope. Unlit indicator labeled S and D. No, we didn't have any indicators. X is between 60 and 90. Nope. X is a multiple of 6. No, the closest one is 90, then 96. X is a multiple of 4. No, closest is 92, 96. So this is an else case. A left, B right. For 48, it's not prime, but it is a multiple of 8. So down, right, B, up, using this command. So that's what we get before we do our overrides. But we got overrides to do. And we got 2 of them this time. If x equals 11n, 94 is not a multiple of 11. If a equals 1 plus d, if 9 equals 1 plus 8, it does. So we have to follow the instructions here. We're going to switch the 3rd and 4th key presses. So we're going to switch the B and the R here. We're also going to switch the 6th and the 8th. So we're going to switch the right and the up. So we switch the 3rd and the 4th. We switch the 6th and the 8th. So this is our new answer. If x or y is highly composite. 94, that's not highly composite, but 48 is on our list of highly composite numbers. So we have a second override this time. We're going to switch the order of the subcommands. What that means, I didn't clarify that, so I kind of threw you for a loop here, is we're just going to do the second part first and the first part second. So this is going to change our solution to, so we move this part here and this part here. So our solution for this one, down up, B right, A left, right B. And the other one I gave you, 7943, prime number, no override rules, so Konami code. 2 up, 2 down, left, right, BA start. Good job. Thank you. And that is the Gamepad. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions, please leave them in the section down below as always. Otherwise, until next time, this has been Elias. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't explode. Bye, guys.